I need to transfer these vegetables and separate them to be on their own. Since the weather is getting nicer now, cooler. And some of these also, so they can grow healthier. See, I just dump all these seeds. If they grow, they grow. If not, not. Finally, my beans. And then some of these are already vining. I'm just looking forward for more of them to vine. So I got at least a few more months, 3 more months. Wow, my tomato, I think it's not happy now because it's cold now during the night. See, this one's already vining to nice.